Hi, it's GFX Monster Designs here, and today we're going to learn how to make text. Right, so what you want to do here is go on MoGraph, MoText, and turn it round so you can see it. Next, you want to put what you want in it, so I'll just put GFX Monster Designs, and then what I want to do is put GFX in the middle so it just looks a bit professional, and then just size it so it fits on your screen like this. That fits on my screen perfect, and then just click this button here, which is render, to see how it looks. Right, that looks alright, not the best. Right, what you want to do next is pick your font. So click font over here, and then just click whatever you want. I'm gonna go with my normal font. And this is my normal font. And then have a look at it. Well, that doesn't look the best of the best. So what we're going to do is go to caps, fillet cap, like this, and leave it. Then have a look at that. That looks alright. You've got a bit of outline around here. And what we want to do is just click on it like this, and then we want to do depth, so just depth it a bit, and then just position it how you want it. I'm going to have it a bit overlooking so you can see a bit, look like over there, but it's still not finished yet. What we want to do is add our colour, so I'm going to pick a nice green because it's Monster Designs, Luminant, and do green. So that looks like a beautiful green, and just have it like this. Whoa, we can't see that. But we want to see this a bit, so what I'm going to do is just Control C and then Control V, then copy it, and then take one out and have a nice black. So what I'm going to do is double click it, find a nice black, then I'm going to illuminate it, and then get a nice black here. So that's a nice black overall. And what I want to do is just drag it onto the text, and we don't want it too good, so let's just have a look at this. That looks a bit mucked up. So what we're going to do is just click on MoText, have a look right, make sure it's in line, and then we're gonna, I can't get it, hurry up, come on you meat, there. We want a nice so like this. Yeah, that looks better. Just remember, that is not what it looks like when it's finished. This is what it's going to look like when you like render it for your whatever you want your intro or all. So this is, that's basic text. Also I'm going to show you what you can do with it. Like, let's do an explosion effect on it. So I'll just drag one on there, and then limit it to 0. So you can do whatever you want really. Look, just make it explode a little bit like this. I don't know, I'll make a video like this. So what you want to do is go to cameras. Don't ask me why it's in light, because I don't know. Click on cameras, click on cameras, scene cameras, cameras. Then is it on? Then we want to click this because it's in cameras, and then drag it on there and drag this on here. So pretty much, sorry about this, it's just been gay. Right, so what I want to do is just, that's on, and then keyframe it, and then I'll put it on 90, but I'm having 900 because so I don't run out. In fact, I'll have 100. So 100. Am I on 100? Yep, I am on 100. And what I want to do is click explosion, and I'll just make it go up to 50. 50. Enter. And then I'm gonna go up to 200. 200. And make it go to 0. And then this time I'm going to go up to 300 and make it go to 100. And then back to 0. So let's have a look at this. This will be a bit slow because I've done it in a big file. Oops. Look. So let's just have a look how this looks. Whoa, so that looks like quite cool. And then like this. I'm trying not to get it. I keep pausing it so it don't go in the like finger box. And it's like this. Shift, you gay boy. Then it comes back in, but what I would do is I would try and squish it together. So if you want it slow, make it further apart like this, and if you want it fast, make it further, like so if you want it to zoom out, put 0 to 100, and then if you want it to zoom in, you want to do like 100 to 150 or whatever. Look, that's fairly fast. Look, let's just pause it and have it like this. That looks fairly cool. Like that anyway. So let's just bring it back to 0 to see what we're working on. Well, I think I've gone a bit far for this tutorial because I was gonna do just text, and I've actually done the explosion effect. So I think I'm going to call this how to do text and use the explosion effect. So thanks for watching. Remember to rate, comment and subscribe. Comment, that would really help me to see how my tutorials were doing. So thank you, and I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. So thank you.